everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at just a wicked cool 1965 Ford Falcon Futura. Cool little car, guys. I actually just took this car in on trade from a gentleman that he traded it in on a Caliente. Good, solid, straight North Carolina car. It is an older restoration, so you can kind of pick at the paint. But I'll tell you one thing, hits the road real good. I mean, it drives out nice. And like I say, good, solid, straight North Carolina body. A little history behind it. I guess he originally bought this car in '85. Had it for quite some time, and then he sold it. I don't know if it was to a friend of his or something like that. But then he actually bought the car back. He said he just loved the car so much he actually bought it back. But like I say, good, solid, straight car, nice driver. If you guys have watched my videos, you know I love this body style. I think these Falcons are super cool. This one's got BF Goodrich Radial TAs all the way around it. And then it's got a set of Cragars. Finished in springtime yellow. That is not the original color. You can see car's got like 98,000 original miles on it. You can see the original grille still in there. Somebody's definitely replaced the bumpers. Yeah, and you can pick at some little stuff like that. But like I say, good, solid, straight car. This stainless is really nice. It's got the dual chrome mirrors. Again, see a couple of chip marks here in the rear. Somebody probably did that, putting the trim on it. I know there's a couple little touch-up marks on that little quarter panel. I'll try to show you. Couple touch-ups back here. It's funny, people see this and they always say, oh, you're picking the car apart. Well, you can pick every car apart. I don't care what you spend. You know, but 90% of these cars are sold sight unseen. I never meet the people. So anything that I see or I know, I just try to point out, you know. No car is perfect. I don't care what you spend. One thing I will say, this is a good, solid, straight car, man. Body's clean, and again, it hits the road good. Brand new rubber all the way around it. This is actually, I know it says 289, which is what these cars would have came with. This car's actually got a late model 302 engine in it. Stock 2-barrel, stock intake and exhaust manifolds, automatic transmission. They did put an aluminum radiator in the car. VIN is up here on the inner fender like it should be. Stock air cleaner and valve covers. These are fun cars to drive, man. Again, I love this body style. Always been a big fan of it. This stuff around here, like I say, really nice. Mirrors are nice. Original A-pillar chrome's really nice. Looks like original door handles. You kind of pick at those a little bit. There's your door tag. Original door seams are nice and clean. You can definitely pick the door pads. Those are available though. I think they're 400 bucks. I can't believe, I think it was Classic Industries has them. Factory bench seat. I'd say that's probably the original interior. Pick it in a little bit. Seam split on your headliner. 98,331 on your odometer. You can see it's the factory dash, stock AM radio. Of course, I put the new Falcon mats in it. It's got Flowmaster dual exhaust in it, stock rear end. Oh, this was talking about. You see a couple little touch-up marks there in that quarter panel. It's got the spare here in the trunk. Like I say, if you're looking for a good driver, I think you'll have a blast with this car. It's just painted black in here. So I've driven it actually a couple times now. It hits the road good. Floors are clean. Like I say, good solid car. Again, same thing on this side and the door pads. Again, I looked them up. I think they're 400 bucks for a new set of door pads. See the underlay of the dash works. Hits the road good, nice and tight. Fuel gauge works, temp gauge works. Doors open and close, nice. Backup lights work. Hits the road good. I don't think the radio worked. Oh, it does?
Or it takes a minute, but it works.
Oh, so it's got the old solid state AM, does work. Blower motor works. Wipers are functional. Again, guys, make sure you keep track of our inventory. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through Instagram and our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page. You can do that by clicking a little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video. Great way to keep track of us. Like I said, that's just a good looking little car, man. If you're looking for a fun driver, I think you'll have a blast with it. Sits good. day, guys.